Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Tom Caldwell. My website is tomcaldwellonline.com, where I teach you how to make money online without you wasting time and money trying to figure out how to make money online by yourself. This is a daily vlog of what I have learned today, and let's get right into it. Affiliate marketing vlog for February 11th, 2019. Title of this video is Search Engine Optimization, also known as SEO for YouTube videos. Number 1, put your long tail keyword in your title. Number 2, put your long tail keyword in tags. Number 3, put your long tail keyword in your description. Number 4, put your long tail keywords in the file name, and this has to be done when the video is first published. Number 5, create an awesome, relevant thumbnail, and you can create your thumbnails using canva.com for free. Number 6, comment on your own video. Number 7, pin your comment so your comment stays at the top of all the other comments. Number 8, in your video, ask the viewer to give your video a like. Number 9, ask the viewer to comment in the comment section. Number 10, ask the viewer to subscribe to your channel. Number 11, ask the viewer to share your video on their social media. Number 12, share your video on all of your own social media. Number 13, embed your video in a blog post if you have your own website. And if you don't have a website, you can create a free website at wordpress.com. If you found this video useful, please give me a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and share this video on your social media. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow in another blog post on affiliate marketing and teaching you how to make money online without wasting time and money.